Hi everyone and welcome to my RG Creation YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the realme Buds Air 5. So let's start video. The latest true wireless earbuds from realme. These earbuds offer a number of features including active noise cancellation, a long battery life and a comfortable fit. Design and features. The realme Buds Air 5 have a sleek and stylish design. They are made of lightweight materials and come with a compact charging case. The earbuds have a touch-sensitive control panel that allows you to control music playback, answer calls, and activate voice assistant. The realme Buds Air 5 also feature active noise cancellation (ANC). This technology uses microphones to detect and cancel out ambient noise, so you can enjoy your music or podcasts in peace. The ANC on the realme Buds Air 5 is effective at blocking out low-frequency noise, such as the sound of traffic or air conditioning. The earbuds also have a long battery life. They can last up to 7 hours on a single charge, and the charging case provides an additional 30 hours of battery life. This means that you can easily get through a day of use without having to worry about running out of battery. Comfort and sound quality. The realme Buds Air 5 are comfortable to wear for long periods of time. They come with 3 different sizes of ear tips, so you can find the perfect fit for your ears. The sound quality on the realme Buds Air 5 is good. The earbuds produce clear and balanced sound with good bass response. They are also good for listening to podcasts and audiobooks. Conclusion. The realme Buds Air 5 are a great pair of true wireless earbuds. They offer a number of features, including ANC, a long battery life, and a comfortable fit. They are also reasonably priced, making them a good value for money.
Call to action.
If you're looking for a great pair of true wireless earbuds, I would definitely recommend the realme Buds Air 5. You can find them on the realme website or at your local retailer. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.